Good morning everyone. In a previous class we have learned about the triangle, types of triangle and angles and property of triangle. I hope you all understood that concept. Now just recapitulate about the angles and property of triangle. What is the formula for angles and property of triangle? The sum of three angles is 180 degree. Is it? The sum of three angle is 180 degree, is it? That is angle A, three angles, is it? Three angles, the angle A plus angle B, any three angles, okay? Angle C is equal to 180 degree, okay? And also we have done one of the activity also. Okay, I hope you understood the previous concept. Today we are going to learn about the exterior angle property. Okay, exterior angle property. Okay, exterior angle property. Okay, A, B, C. These are all the interior angles. These are called the exterior angles. Okay, so which are the angles inside of the triangle is called the interior angles, and which are the angles lies outside of the triangle. Outside of the triangle is called the exterior angles. Exterior angles. Okay, so here this one is called the exterior angle. Okay, ACD is called the exterior angle. The exterior angle property is the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles. Okay, sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. That's mean in the valley வந்து இந்த உள்ள இதுக்கு opposite என்னது இந்த side. அப்படிதானமா? So angle B, angle A. Sum of opposite angles are equal. இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணனா இந்த வேல்யூக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். அதான் கண்டிஷன். புரியுதா? என்னதுமா? The exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles are equal. Okay, that is called the exterior angle property. That is called the exterior angle property. Okay, so what is the definition of exterior angle property? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of, okay, sum of ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணும். Okay, sum of the interior opposite angle. Sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, that is a property. Okay, that is a statement for the exterior angle property. What is the statement of angles and property? The sum of three angle is 180 degree. Sum of three angle is 180 degree. Here exterior angle property, the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. So what is that angle? From the diagram, angle, okay, C. You can write ACD. Okay, ACD. Angle ACD is equal to sum of opposite side of the interior angles. That's it. Okay, so what are the interior angles is equal to CBA. CBA. This is the angle, and next one of the angle BAC plus sum of the interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles. So BAC. BAC. Okay, that is satisfied. Okay, so one of the activity about this exterior angle property for your understanding, see the video. Okay, I hope you are all understood. See the video. I hope you are understood this concept. You will do the activity and send it to the group. Okay, now we are going to do the example problems related to the angles and property and exterior angle property. Okay, example 1. Write all the points lying in the exterior of triangle ABC in the following figure. Okay, so one of the diagram is given. Okay, so write all the points lying in the exterior of the triangle ABC. So the ABC triangle exterior points என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So இந்த triangle outside உள்ள points என்னன்னா EFG. Okay, so here EFD is the exterior point of the triangle ABC. Okay, that is the solution. Here the point EFD, okay, EFD are lying in the exterior of the triangle ABC. That's it. Okay, and next one, example 2. Yeah, angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find all the 3 angles of the triangle. Okay, so ratios are given. You have to find out the value of each angles of the triangle. Okay, the angles of the triangle are in a ratio 1:2. Solution 1:2:3 இங்கிற ratio கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So let the first angle be x, second angle be 2x, and third angle be 3x. Okay, let the first, second you will write in the single line, and let the first, second, third angles be x, 2x, 3x respectively. You can write that also. Okay, and now what is the relation between the sum of three angles? Is 180 degree. We have using the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, the sum of, you have find out the values of each angle. Okay, so ratios only given. We have given the ratio. We know only ratio. Okay, so the sum of the angle is equal to 180 degree. Here write angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so that is, we have considered the angle, first angle be x, second angle be sum of the angles. Add these three angles. Add these three angles. So x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degree. Add these three values in like variables. So we can add. So 3 plus 3, 6x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree divided by 6 3 times. So x equal to 30 degree. The first angle is 30 degree. We have to find out the remaining two angles. So 2x equal to 2 into 30 degree equal to 60 degree, and 3x equal to 3 into 30 degree equal to 90 degree. Okay, if you have get the correct answer or not, you will add these three values, we get the 180 degree. Okay, add these three values, we get the 180 degree. Okay, thus the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, that's it. And next one, example 3. Find the x if the angles of the triangles having the measures x plus 40 degree, 2x plus 20 degree and 3x. Also say which type of triangle is this? Which type of triangle this is? Okay. So find x if the angles of the triangle having the measures. Okay. Find, we have to find out the value of x. So the triangles angles values are given. Okay, x plus 40 degree, 2x plus 20 degree and another one of the angle is 3x. Find the types of, also say which type of angle is this. Okay, this is, so example 3. Okay, so what are the data are given? Let the angle A equal to x plus 40 degree and angle B is equal to 2x plus 20 degree and C is equal to 3x. Find the value of x and also say the which type of triangle this is. Okay, now you know that three angles are given, so we have using the angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle is the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. You have right here also the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Here write angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so angle A is x plus 40 degree, angle B is 2x plus 20 and angle C is 3x equal to 180 degree. Okay, now add the like variables. So 6x, x plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 40 plus 20, 60. Okay, 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So 6x equal to 180 degree minus 60. So subtract, we get 120 degree. Here 6x, it will be cancelled in 6 tables, 6 2s are, so x value is 20. X value is x equal to 20 degree. X equal to 20 degree. Find the value of x. Also state the which type of triangle. So first we have calculate all the values. So angle x, we have find out the value of x. Now find out the value of the angle A. A is equal to x plus 40 degree. X plus 40 degree. Here x value is 20 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 60 degree. And angle B is equal to 2x plus 20 degree. Okay, so 2 into x value is 20 degree plus 20. So 40 degree plus 20 degree. So add this value is 60 degree. Angle C 3x. So 3 multiple of 20 degree is equal to 60 degree. See, the angle A, angle B, angle C all are having the 60 degree. So it is a acute angle and also all the angles are equal. All the angles are equal. So equilateral angle. Okay, equilateral triangle. It's a equilateral triangle. Okay, say the type of triangle. It is a equilateral triangle because all the angles are equal. All the angles are equal. And see the next one. Fourth one. In a figure, find the exterior P or S. Okay, P or S. One of the diagram is given. Example 4. We have find out the exterior angle P or S. Okay, to find the angle P or S. What is the relation between the exterior angle and interior angle? We have using the exterior angle property. What is that? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. The sum of interior opposite angles are equal. Okay, so see the angles. Okay, using the exterior angle property, I have write the angles, exterior angle. Okay, so P or S equal to sum of interior opposite angles. What are the interior angles here? Angle PQR. Is it PQR? This is the angle. Angle should write in the center. Okay, PQR plus sum of the interior opposite angles. So one angle is Q and another one is P. So QPR. QPR. Do you understand how can you write this name the angles. The first one, that angle is Q, here angle is P. Okay, this is the angle R. Here not only angle R, because it having the two linear angles are there. Okay, adjacent angles. PR is one of the angle and PRQ is another one of the adjacent angles. Okay, so you have write the values of Q. What is the angle? 60 degree plus P value was 45 degree. Okay, so add these values, what we get? 105 degree. So angle PRS is equal to 105 degree. That's it. Here write, should write the property. Okay, the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That's it. And next one, the example 5. It is possible to form a triangle with the following angles. So here 3 angles are given. Okay, we have using the angles and property. The given 3 angles are satisfy the angles and property. Then we can make a triangle using these angles. Using these angles. கொடுத்திருக்க angles வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணி triangle வரைய முடியுமான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அது முடியுமா அப்படினு பார்க்கணும்னா we have verify the angles and property of triangle. Okay, so that's this given angles satisfy the angles and property, then we can make a triangle using these angles. Okay, check that the first one, example 5. The first one, 55 degree, 60 degree and 65 degree. Okay, 3 angles are given. Okay, we have verified we can make a, using these angles we can make a triangle or not. Okay, so let's see. The first one is sum of 3 angles. Sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. Within a bracket, angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so here you have considered these 3 angles. 55 degree, sum means we have to add, okay, 60 degree plus 65 degree equal to 180 degree, equal to 180 degree. Now add these 3 angles, 65 plus 60, what we get? 115 plus 65 degree, here 180 degree. So add this value, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, so 8, 180. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore the given 3 angles should make a triangle. Should make a triangle. Thus the given angles make a triangle. Okay, and next one, B problem 70 degree, 85 degree and 90 degree. B problem 70 degree, 85 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so here also we have verified using the angle sum property. So the sum of three angle is 180 degree. The sum of three angle is equal to 180 degree. Then a bracket angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So add the angle 70 degree plus 85 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Add 5, 15. Is it 155 degree plus 90 degree? Clearly observe from the statement is not equal. Is it? Here 155 degree plus 90 degree. What we get? So it's not equal. It's not equal. Since the given angles do not, thus the given angles do not make a triangle. Do not make a triangle. Okay. Right, and next one. Example 6. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 50 degree and angle B is equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle C. So, two angles values are given. You have find out the third one of the angle. So, here also we have using the angle sum property. Okay. Example 6. So, what are the data are given? Angle A is equal to 50 degree. Angle A is equal to 50 degree. Angle B is equal to 70 degree. Find the angle C. Okay, very easiest one, is it? So, how can you find out? Using the angle sum property. What is that? The sum of three angle is 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So, what is the value of angle A? 50 degree. Angle B value is 70 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, just to substitute the values of the angles. Okay, and next now add these two angles. What we get? 120 degree. Here angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 120, move to the side, subtract by using transpose method. Okay, so 120 degree, subtract 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So angle C is equal to 60 degree. Thus angle C is equal to 60 degree. That's it. Now move to the next one of the example 7. Find the value of x in the triangles given figures. So here give it two triangles. Example 7. Okay. Find the value of x in the triangles given figures. The first triangle. Here the angle values are given as x, 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 okay, and B, the triangle, one is 90 degree, another one of the angle is 40 degree, you have to find out the x value, okay. Right. See, from the first diagram, what we have observed, all the angles are equal. Okay, so all the angles are equal means it's a equilateral triangle. All the angles are equal, all the sides are equal, then we have identified it's a equilateral triangle. Okay, so what is the relation between these three angles? Here also we have using the angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of the triangle. So what is that? The sum of three angle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angle is equal to 180 degree. Then a bracket we should write angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so let me have consider the angle B A, okay, B C. Here also we have consider A B C. So what is the angle A plus angle B plus angle C? That is equal to 180 degree. Okay, what is the value of angle A? X. Angle B is also X. Angle C is also X, equal to 180 degree. Add these three variables, we get 3x equal to, these are the like variables, so we can add. Okay, so x equal to, let's simplify, so 3 6 are 18, so x value is 60. So each angle having the 60 degree. Thus x equal to 60 degree in triangle. Each angle are 60 degree. Each angles are 60 degree. So it is a equilateral triangle. It is a equilateral triangle. Okay. And next one of the diagram B. From the diagram B, okay. So one of the angle A is equal to 90 degree and another one of that angle having the 40 degree. We have find out the value of x. Okay. So here also we have using the angle sum property. Okay. The sum of three angles angle is 180 degree. Within a bracket, which property? Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the value of A? Here 90 degree, right angle. Okay, so angle A is 90 degree. What is the angle of B? 40 degree. 40 degree. What is the angle of C? X. We have to find out the value of x equal to 180 degree. Now add these two values, what we get? 130 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree by using transpose method. Okay, by using transpose method, subtract what we get? 50 degree. Thus the x value is 50 degree. Okay, that's it. Now move to the example 8. In an isosceles triangle, the measures of the two equal angles is equal to 4 times the measures of the third angle. In this type, you have read 1 or 2 times of the given statement. Okay, the first in an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Okay, two sides are equal. The measures of two equal angles. So two sides are equal means it should in angle also equal. Okay, the measure of the two equal angles is equal to 4 times the measure of the third angle. ஸோ ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அந்த ஆங்கிள் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குமோ தேர்டோட ஆங்கிளுக்கு 4 டைம்ஸாக இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறதான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகேவாம்மா? Find the measure of the 3 angles. We have to find out the 3 angles. So isosceles triangles means it has 2 sides are equal and 2 angles also equal. And then we have considered the x is a third angle எடுத்துக்கும். Okay? So xங்கிறது third angle இருந்துச்சுன்னா the other 2 sides are 4 times of the third angle. So that is 4x. Okay. First observe the question and understood the question. Then we have write the statement. Okay. I hope you are understood the concept. What is given? Which condition is given? The third one. So for 2 sides are equal. So angles also equal in isosceles triangle. அந்த இது ஐசோசெலஸ் ட்ரையாங்கிள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா அந்த தேர்ட் சைடுக்கு 4 டைம்ஸாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எவ்வளோ ஆங்கிள் கொடுக்கல நம்ம தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். சரியாம்மா? So we know that an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and angles. Okay, isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and angle. Okay, so let we have consider x. Let x be the third angle. Okay, third angle, and each of the angles. Okay, let each of the 2 angles, each of the 2 angles are 4x, 4 times of the third one. Okay, so 4x. Now we have using the angle sum property. Okay, the sum of three angle is 180 degree. Here write angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. So add these 3 angles. Okay, angle first 2 angles we have considered the 4x because 2 angles are equal. Okay, so 4x plus 4x. Why do you write twice times here? The isosceles triangle is given. Okay, so 2 angles are equal. So first 2 angles will be considered 4x plus 4x, and the third angle bx equal to 180 degree. Equal to 180 degree. So add the like variables. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 9x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to, it cancel 20 degree. X equal to 20 degree. Okay. Now we have find out the each angles, is it? Find the measures of 3 angles of the triangle. So we have find out the one angle as 20 degree. Okay. Now we have find out the remaining angles. 4x equal to 4 into x value was 20 degree. What we get? 80 degree. And another one is also 4x. So 4 into 20, 80 degree. Sum of 3 angles 180 degree. So hence the 3 angles are angles of the given triangle are 20 degree, 80 degree and 80 degree. Okay, that's it. And next one of the example 9. In triangle PQR, if 6 angle P is equal to 3 angle Q is equal to 4 angle R, then find angle P, angle Q and R. Okay, so equal statement is given, so very easiest one. Okay, so one of the relation given, one of the triangle PQR is that. Okay, 6 times of P is equal to 3 times of the angle Q is equal to 4 times of angle R. Then we have find out the value of the PQR. Okay, triangle PQR given 6 times of angle P is equal to 3 times of angle Q is equal to 4 times of R. 4 times of angle R. Find angle P, angle Q and angle R. Okay, so let the angle be X. Let the term be X. Okay, let the term be X or let the angle be X. So all the angles are equal is given. So okay, we have considered B, commonly take Sx. Okay, the term be equal, the term be equal in X. Okay, so Xங்கிறத வந்து நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கலாம், ஒவ்வொரு ஆங்கிளுடைய ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டோன்னா, ஸோ 6 angle P is equal to 3 angle Q equal to 4 angle R is equal to X. Is it? So all the angles are equal is given. So the term be X. So each term, okay, the term be X equal. The term be X equal. Okay, எல்லாத்துக்குமே என்னவா இருக்குமா, ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். Now equating the each term by X. Okay, so 6 angle P is equal to X and 3 angle Q is equal to X. Each term equating to X. This term equated to X, this term equated to this X and this one. Okay, so 4 angle R equal to X. So angle P is equal to, can written as X by 6. Angle Q is equal to X by 3 and angle R is equal to X by 4. X by 4. Now we have using the angle sum property of triangle. The sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle P value is X by 6. Q value is X by 3 and R value is X by 4 equal to 180 degree. The denominator values are different, so we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 6, 3, 4 is 12. Okay. So LCM of 3, 4, 6 is 12. Okay. So first term, the numerator and denominator we have multiplied by 2. Okay. So I have write directly numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. So 2x by 12, okay, plus Here which term multiply the denominator, we get the value of 12, 4. Okay, the 4 numerator and denominator we have multiply. Okay, we have multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So 4x by 12 plus here denominator value is 4. So we have multiply by 3 numerator and denominator. So 3x by 12 equal to 180 degree. Now denominator values are equal, so we have add the numerator. So 2x plus 4x is 6x, 6x plus 3x 9x divided by 12 equal to 180 degree. Okay, it cancel in 9 table, 9 2s are 18. Here x by 12 is equal to 20 degree. Cross multiply, denominator move to that side by using transpose method. Okay, what we get? X equal to 240. So x value is 240 degree. Now we have find out the value of angle PQR. Okay, so substitute the angle P, angle Q, angle R values. Okay, then we have got the answer for the each angles. You understand? The one of the relation is given. The relation 6 times of P and is 3 times of Q and 4 times of R are equal. Then we have find out the angle P, angle Q, angle R. Okay, we have consider B, X is equal terms, XB equal terms. Then QP, the statement equating to the X. Now we have find out the separate angles of P, Q, R. After using the angle sum property, we have to find out the value of X. Now substitute these values in the angle P, Q, R. Then we get the values of the angles. So angle P is equal to x by 6. What is the x value here? 240 degree by 6. It cancel in 6 4 times of 24. Okay. So we get 40 degree. So angle P is 40 degree. Angle Q x by 3. So 240 degree by 3. 8s are 24, 8s are 3 8s are 24 and then 80 degree angle Q and angle R is equal to x by 4 is equal to x value is 240 degree by 4. Cancel in 4 table, 4 6 are 24, so it's a 60 degree. Thus angle P is equal to 40, angle Q is equal to 80 degree and angles R is equal to 60 degree. That's it. Okay. Okay. Remaining examples and exercise we will see in the next class. Okay. So just to go through. So today we have learned about the exterior property. Okay, what is the formula for the exterior property? Exterior property is equal to sum of interior opposite angles are equal. Okay, I hope you are understood the examples problems. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt in a online class. Thank you, students.